ever will I hold so deep within my soul. The loving vow she whispered low. That very night I found her. There never was a night so splendid, so right. Bright was the night. Bright was the night. Moon shining bright. Moon shining bright. Yes, it was there I met my sweetheart. Sweetheart, Sue. My Sue. She promised me that she would be. She promised she would be my bride someday, some fine day. She would be my bride someday, some fine day. Let me tell you now I love you, baby, but you cry and whine and you gotta let it go somehow. Ain't nothing I can say to make it go away, so come along with me right now. Well, she got her daddy's car and she cruised to the hamburger stand now. Cruising away now, seems she forgot all about the library like she told her old man now. Well, with the radio blasting goes cruising just as fast as she can now. Fast as she can, and she'll have fun till her daddy takes the T-bird away. Yeah, all the girls can't stand her cause she walks, looks and drives like an ace now. Talks like an ace, she makes the Indy 500 look like a chariot race now. Yeah, a lot of guys try to catch her, but she leads them on a wild goose chase now. Out on a chase, and she'll have fun till her daddy takes the T-bird away. Till her daddy takes the T-bird away. You see her riding all over town, just a cruising and a play until the sun goes down. She'll get a ticket sooner or later, cause she can't keep her foot off the accelerator. No, oh baby, well you knew all along that your dad was getting wise, so wise. He's getting so wise. No, since you took your set of keys, you really been thinking all of your fun is all through. Hey baby, it hurts, I know, but you gotta let it go. And come along with me, cause we got a lot of things to do now. Fun now, since daddy took the T-bird away. So come along with me every day. Fun in the sun, since daddy took the T-bird away. Took it away.